Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the stopwatch feature in the QW33 Smartwatch. So as usual, you turn on the screen and you swipe. So we've changed it into the listicles, the list type. So if you don't know how to do that, I've made a video on how to do that. It's a very short video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use this stopwatch. So what you just need to do is scroll down and come to the countdown. So where is it? Where is it? Okay, stopwatch. You can see stopwatch. So you click on it, and that's all. So once you want it to start, you can either press the play button and it starts, or you press this to pause, or you press this one above to start. I also press it to pause. So press to start and press it to pause. And if you want it to refresh, you press the one down and you refresh it again. So if you want to start, you press it to start. If you want to stop, you press it to stop. If you want it to start again, you press it again to start. If you want it to stop again, you press it to stop. And to refresh it and start afresh, you press this. So that's basically how to use the stopwatch feature on the QW33 smartwatch. Thanks and have a nice day.